When generative AI models like Dall-E and Midjourney have the world in awe, Italy is taking the defining step to ban ChatGPT altogether. In this contradictory environment, Adobe has launched its new venture, Firefly, which has shocked the entire world. So which paradigm shift will Adobe's Firefly bring out, and what does it mean for the existing scenario of tech-oriented businesses such as software? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Adobe has introduced a new family of AI models named Firefly as part of its entry into the generative AI market. According to Alexandru Costin, VP of Generative AI at Adobe, Firefly is a project that focuses on integrating artificial intelligence into Adobe's portfolio of products and services, notably AI for creating video content. It's a development of the generative AI features that Adobe first unveiled in Photoshop, Express, and Lightroom at its annual Max conference this previous year, allowing users to create and edit effects, composites, and objects simply by describing them. Decades of investment in photography, typography, illustration, and other assets provide immense potential for processes where content is developed across Creative Cloud, Experience Cloud, and Document Cloud. The model, which was built using hundreds of millions of photos, will soon be able to produce content from text prompt for Adobe products like Express, Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Experience Manager. As the company has just revealed, Firefly will soon be available in its Creative Cloud video and audio products. Although Adobe Firefly is still in beta and thus not yet available to everyone, Adobe has already made it known that those who work with a video will be able to take advantage of Firefly's capabilities, with a few key skills being highlighted. Keep watching till the end to discover these new features that Firefly comes equipped with. While programs like Photoshop and Lightroom still require a fair amount of artistic talent and skill to produce a perfect-looking image, Firefly employs artificial intelligence to streamline the process and even eliminates the need for the photographer altogether by allowing users to simply type a description of the image they need. The company guarantees that the results will be secure for commercial use. There are AI tools for color corrections and enhancements. The ability to alter the appearance and the atmosphere of a video clip has long been made simple by filters, but choosing the right one can be difficult at first. With Adobe Firefly, users can simply describe the look they want to achieve using text prompts, and they can even make more specific adjustments or improvements to a clip, such as brightening only the subject's face. It remains to be seen, however, how precise these modifications can be with more complicated material, such as film of a crowded room. Now, users can simply type in their prompts and get animated text and motion graphics, advanced animation abilities, and these days, working understanding of 3D rendering technologies are frequently needed for complex animations. But with Adobe Firefly, users only need to specify how they want a section of on-screen text to appear, and the AI will produce the desired results right away. Not only this, but you can also make use of AI to find matching B-roll, which can be a time-consuming task for editors. In order to automate the process, Adobe Firefly analyzes the script's text, compares it to other material from the same film, and inserts the necessary clips into the timeline as needed. And last but not the least, Adobe Firefly will be able to create original music and sounds to match a certain scenario or mood. These would be completely unique creations that are already fit for commercial use. So what measures has Adobe taken to set Firefly apart from its competitors? Adobe Firefly promises to make image editing simple while respecting the prior creative efforts of photographers, artists, and other creators. Instead, Firefly was only trained using photos from Adobe's own stock image site, public domain, and openly licensed work. Adobe uses a variety of ways to identify and prohibit harmful content, including automated and human moderation and filters, and Firefly models were trained on carefully curated and inclusive image datasets. Apart from this, as mentioned above, Adobe's output is commercially safe. This means that if you ask Firefly for a renowned character, the AI won't show you that figure, but will instead try to come up with something similar. In contrast, if you ask Midjourney for a famous character, the AI will simply show you the character. The output of Midjourney is not commercially safe, and experts would probably avoid using it. For instance, if a user requests a character like Deadpool or Mario, it would be necessary to obtain specific consent from the companies that own such characters, Disney and Nintendo respectively. The future is approaching at a blindingly fast rate, and it still remains to be seen what impact AI tools will have on the existing art industry. That's all for this video, and we'll see you at the next one.